Presenting to all of you Crunchco by Meher Mehta, edible sustainable cutlery kits. Meher, please share your screen and you can start off your presentation when you're ready.
Good morning, investors. Welcome to my new business venture, Crunchco, a sustainable edible cutlery kit. The use of plastic products has increased significantly in the last year due to the pandemic, and many industries find it easier and cheaper to manufacture plastic rather than use other materials. But this results in the degradation of the planet. Plastic results in 22 million kilograms of waste every month, and scientists have told us that by 2050 there will be more plastic in oceans than fish. So I have launched a new business to help reduce this plastic waste, which is Crunchco. Given the pandemic, the use of disposal cutlery is growing rapidly, and plastic depletes our natural resources, and by not being biodegradable, it is highly toxic for the environment. And if we want to bring a true mind shift towards climate change and we want to protect our environment before it's too late, we need to innovate with products that are eco-friendly, sustainable, and viable from a business point of view. We plan to produce and sell a vegan edible cutlery kit in India. The ingredients would include jowar flour, rice flour, wheat flour, corn flour, soybean flour, and water. In the future, we would also like to experiment with different flavors like chocolate, pistachio, and strawberry, which can be used particularly for desserts like ice creams and pastries. The kit will include edible spoons, edible forks, edible bowls, and plates. It will also include a card with thanking the customers for their generous contribution in making the world a better place, and this will also encourage them to tell their friends and families about Crunchco. Our target market would include restaurants in my area. We would like to cater for office events and household gatherings and tricycle ice cream stalls. I have divided my competition into two parts. One being conventional plastic, which takes thousands of years to deplete, contains several neurotoxins and carcinogens, and has dirty plastic packaging. However, it is cheap and easily available. Crunchco is disposed of instantly, almost as if it was never on the planet. It's eco-friendly, nutritious, and vegan. Even though it is slightly expensive, investing in edible cutlery would ultimately save the planet. And it is also packed in boxes that can be reused. When I was doing my competitive analysis, I came across Bakey's as my biggest competitor. But as I fell into more research, I saw that they had poor social media reviews. Customers were complaining about not having their edible cutlery delivered and being frauded and their money not being refunded back. So this would be a perfect time to launch Crunchco, as there is a market which is in highly demand of edible cutlery. Our mission is to provide the highest quality of edible cutlery in India, and we will also strive to ensure customers with products that are eco-friendly and sustainable. This will benefit the consumers as well as this will benefit people who consume it and also people who produce it. Our objectives in the long run would be to create awareness among consumers of the environmental benefits of the Crunchco products, to create a product-based company which adheres to the best business principles, and to be present in 10% of the restaurants of Gurgaon by the end of 2022. Our aspiration clients would be Zomato and Swiggy. Research shows that Zomato and Swiggy get around 1.25 million orders every day, and edible cutlery in a field like this would greatly be a positive to the environment. Our marketing, we would sponsor RWA events to help our business grow. We would circulate Crunchco posters in WhatsApp groups and encourage family and friends to share them, and also advertise in newspapers and distribute pamphlets around my area.
Thank you, Meher. Thank you very much.
Can I just wrap it up?
Yes, please wrap up.
This is a graph that shows the number of kits that we hope to sell in the financial year 2021 to 22. And these are our financials, and our profit stands at 4,66,560 rupees.
Thank you very much for the exciting presentation, Meher. Judges, please ask Meher your questions.
Crunchco for a better world. Thank you.
Go ahead, Mrinalini. You want me to go, or would you like to go? Okay, let me maybe launch with the question and then Mrinalini, please add in. So super interesting idea. And I think, look, anything to get out of plastic waste would be terrific. Just to dimensionalize it for me, what's the cost difference between plastic and the selling price difference? So right now you were saying yours would be 100 rupees per kit. What's the equivalent plastic alternative is question one. And question two is just, is this machine made or is this handmade? And as you make more of these, will that cost come down, the production cost?
Okay, so to answer your first question, plastic is cheaper because it is readily available everywhere almost in India. And I think 1 spoon of plastic is like for 2 rupees. But the cutlery kit would include like 10 spoons, which is relatively better than plastic.
Got
Maybe
it. Thank you.
I guess just one consumer kind of question. I love the name, by the way. But any customer feedback on how it tastes, what it's like? I mean, just curious to know what your customers say.
Actually, I haven't been able to sell any because I had a mishap with the manufacturer. Like, the products that he sent me, I wasn't really happy with, and I only want to start selling once I am happy with what I have, so that my customers would be happy. So I'm still into that.
Got it. I think it's somewhat all interlinked, right? Will this become a gimmick or will it be used frequently depending on price and taste? But it's you've got the germ of something very special here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, judges.